I'm feeling way too low to... Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be kind of throwing it back a little bit and doing a power hour. I haven't done one of those on my channel in like a super long time, and honestly the house isn't super messy. I've been home for the last almost 2 weeks for Christmas break, so I've been kind of trying to declutter and deep clean certain areas when I have time every day. But we did some renovations. I feel out of breath for some reason, I don't know. Kenny did some renovations on our top floor to Colton's room over the last few days, and he had to do a little bit of drywall work. So, well, a lot of drywall work actually, because the people who flipped this house were really crap at doing drywall. So Kenny had to do some drywall work, so there's a lot of like the really super fine drywall dust. Like, as much as he tinted the room and like tried to keep it contained just in the room, when you walk around the house now you can see like a really thin like white layer of dust on things. So I want to just go around and wipe everything down, mop some of the surfaces that I can see. Like if you look underneath like certain things you can see them, and then as you can see I'm in the basement. There's some toys down here that Colton got for Christmas that I haven't put away and organized yet. Most of it is put away or dealt with, but there's a few things that need to be put away, so I'm gonna do that. I have a couple loads of laundry that need to be done, so I'm gonna go in there and sort that, and then we'll see what else we can find to clean up. So I'm gonna try to do it in an hour. Colton is probably gonna be awake from his nap within the hour, so I think that'll be kind of my timer to be done. Yeah, so we'll see how much we can get done. Hopefully I can just tidy everything up. I have to go back to work tomorrow, unfortunately, so I would like to have everything cleaned up and organized and ready for that. So if you guys want to keep watching and see what I can get done and check out the house, I haven't really done any like house updates lately. Keep on watching. Start this night, but I want to get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go.
have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my...
So Colton did end up waking up. He just woke up, so Kenny's gonna try and keep him occupied for as long as possible to film this video. But if you see Colton running through or you see the camera move, that's him.
My God, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so... Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head.
Do you want to come say hi to my video then?
Hi.
Come say hi to my video. Come here. Say hi. Say hello, everyone. Hi. Blow them a kiss. Can you say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
Good job. Okay, go see Daddy. Go downstairs, see Daddy.
'Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Okay, so I got just about as much done as I could. I wiped down most of the surfaces and mopped some of the floors upstairs. Next, I kind of need to get a handle on laundry. Most of our laundry is put away, but the Colton's laundry is like out of control. It's all washed, but it needs to be folded, or it's folded. It's washed and folded. It needs to be put away and whatnot, but because Kenny had that room for like a week almost, I have like so much laundry that needs to be put away, but I will do that probably later, maybe after we eat dinner when Colton's like sitting watching a show or something. But I got a good amount of enough stuff done. That doesn't make any sense. You guys understand what I'm saying. I feel really good about how clean I got the laundry room, because that room has needed some help for a little while, but it's in the basement and I'm pretty much the only person that goes in there to do laundry. Most people don't use that bathroom. Like if they're here, they'll go upstairs, or like they're hanging out wherever, or it's like little kids that are using that room. So I feel much better about having that clean. Yeah, so I feel a little better about everything being wiped down. Obviously there's still lots of cleaning to do. I have a lot of decluttering to do still in this house. I'm planning on, but I don't know when, we have a storage room. I think I've kind of told you guys about it, but I don't know if I've ever shown it in a video because it's a mess. I have plans of turning our attics into storage, but they need some work, and I would rather like hire someone to do it so it's done properly and like insulated and stuff properly. I don't need it to be like drywalled. I just want it insulated in like plywood or something, but I have to pay someone to do that, so I have to save up some money to do that, and then I can clear up this room. But for now, I am planning on filming a video cleaning out that room. I just don't know logistically how I'm going to film that, because it's a pretty small room and it's like full of shelves and boxes. It's not like our old basement where like it was our whole basement was storage. This is like one room that we've tried to condense all of our like Christmas storage, baby stuff, like all Halloween there's in there. There's like stuff from when Kenny and I were kids. Like everything is in that one room. So I want to get that cleaned out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the like button or thumbs up, whatever they call it now. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and you can click the little bell that's beside the subscribe button, and that will let you guys know every time I upload. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave links to any products that I use in today's video down below, my most asked about products, because I do have like random things that you would have seen throughout the house that sometimes people ask me about. And then I'll also have all my social medias down below, so my email, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest will all be down there. I'm pretty active on Instagram, so you guys can ask me questions there if you have any questions. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this motivated you guys. Bye.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall.